Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can turn off private browser on your iPhone. So usually we are using many type of browser like Safari, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. So now I'll show you Safari browser how you can turn off your private browser. Alright, so if you want to learn on these topics, you can just stay with me, otherwise you can skip this video. Alright. Usually now I open this private browser, alright, and this is the private browser, and if you want to add more tab, then you can add any tab, alright, and it's showing the private mode. If you want to back and regular mode, I mean you want to turn off private on, you want to back regular mode. So if you want, then you can just tap on the this button, okay, bottom right side, then I just tap here. You see here in showing private, and if you just move this here 6 steps, this is the regular tabs. So if you want to close this part, you just close all tabs and go back here. This is the regular browser tabs. Alright, so if you want to add more tab here, then you can just tap plus. So that's it, and thanks for the watching, and let me know if you face any problem.